Duns, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All right, I want to come out here. All right, I want to come out here and continue. This is a part two of my prenup video. Okay, if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you go and check out my prenup. Okay, the video that I made about prenup. No prenup, no honey. Now this is a step-by-step. Okay, it's a step-by-step formula of how to actually go about doing, obtaining a prenup. All right. And what I'm about to tell you guys, some of it, it's based on my own research. All right. You don't need to believe what I'm telling you. Do your own research. Okay. I always say do your own research. All right. That's why we have Google. All right. So number one thing is that you need to research a good lawyer. Now, I must let you know, it's a bit irritating because it seems like there are not too many prenup lawyers out there. Let me know if you are a prenup lawyer. Okay, if you are a lawyer who does prenup, let me know. It seems like the lawyers, okay, who does prenup, they don't just specialize in prenup. Okay, they specialize in something else, and then they just kind of tag along the prenuptial part of it. You know what I mean? Like, for example, if you're looking for a lawyer that deals with contract, or that deals with property, or that deals with family, the court system, things like that, some of these lawyers will specialize in just that. But when it comes to prenup, it's just kind of more, you would have to do more of a research, okay, to find a good prenup lawyer. You might end up calling the doctor's office, okay, because what you can do is call your local call your local lawyer's office, okay, and ask them to recommend a good prenup lawyer to you, okay. That could be really helpful. All right, so number one, okay, step one, you need to find yourself a prenup lawyer, okay? A lawyer that does prenuptials, all right? Now, once you do that, they're going to sign you up with them, and most of them will have a consultation fee. You will need to have a consultation with them, all right? So that they can just kind of go over the general, just kind of brief you about their services, what they do. They might need to bring some records, some financial records, some financial statements, so that they can go over what to expect with you. All right, so during the consultation process, if you choose to select them, like for example, the consultation fee might be $500, or it might be $200 or $100. It all depends on the lawyer. All right, so if you choose to select that lawyer, they will put that fee towards the total fee. So if the price were to be $1,000, for example, it would be they would take away that consultation fee. Okay, so you would just have to pay the remainder. Now, speaking of fees, y'all, prenuptial, okay, to get a prenuptial lawyer, it's not cheap. All right, it's not cheap at all. Expect to spend at least $1,000. Okay, it's going to cost you at least $1,000. Some actually I saw go up to $3,000. Yes, but think about it. How much more would you end up losing if you don't have that prenup? A whole lot more than $3,000. I'm telling you. Think about your college. Your kids' college tuition. Think about your parents' retirement plan. Think about your 401k. Yes, they could come out after your 401k. Think about your house. All right, think about your house. If you are a single woman, okay, and you have a house, you bought a house before you met him or her, when you all go through that divorce, you're gonna have to pay half. You're going to have to sell your house, okay, and they're gonna have to take half of that money. So I'm telling you that $3,000 is going to look like pennies compared to what you might have to pay. So yeah, so that's number three. Number three is that make sure you know you get your money ready, because you're gonna have to pay $1,000 or $2,000 to the lawyer. All right, so number one, just to recap really quick, number one, you have to do your research. You have to do your research to find a good prenuptial lawyer. Number two is, once you find one, you're gonna have to pay for the consultation fee and gather your documents. Okay, they'll tell you what documents you need. And three, you're gonna have to pay. Okay, if you choose, it's not free. It's a bit of an investment, but it's worth it. Okay. Number four, my beautiful people, listen up. I hope you are taking notes. Number four is that your partner, okay, and this is very important now, because I did not know this. Your partner, he or she also needs to have their own lawyer to write up their own prenup. Okay, so it's not just one lawyer for you. No, he or she also have to pay to get his own prenup lawyer, his own prenuptial lawyer, or her own prenuptial lawyer. Okay, so it's not just you. So you are over here with your own lawyer, and he or she needs to be over there with their own lawyer too. All right, get it? So if you guys are getting married, so y'all need to know right off the bat, that's about $2,000 or $4,000 that you guys need to talk about. Okay, how you guys gonna pay for that? All right, because he needs a lawyer, you need a lawyer. All right, and what is great about it is that both of you guys, both of the lawyers will come together, and everything will be transparent. Okay, this is where it gets really good. Everything will be very transparent. Okay, it's a lot of transparency. So that means, all right, you will get to have his financial statement. He'll know your financial statements. You'll get to know any records, any lien, if he has a lien on him. For example, say this is his second marriage, or say he has children, and God forbid he owes the government money. Okay, say he owes the government money for child support. That's going to show. Okay, say he has a lien on his house, like say he or she owns a home, but then that home really belongs to the bank. Okay, you'll know about it, because these things, people tend to hide them and don't share. So having a prenup is another way for you to really, 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 really know somebody's business. Okay, so your lawyer, his lawyer will go through everything. Okay, you'll know if there's criminal records. Okay, if the person has ever been arrested, criminal records, criminal charges. You get to it's not just hey, I'm going to protect my money. It's having a prenup. Okay, look at it in terms of getting to know your partner a whole lot more. If there's anything your partner did not share with you, trust and believe it will come up. It will rise up. It will rise up during the prenuptial process. My beautiful people, talk to me, my beautiful people. Who else out here? Which one of you guys who's watching this video who has had a prenup? What is the process for people? That's what I wanted to share regarding the step-by-step, okay, how to get a prenup, what to know about it. Let's see, what did I miss? Let me know, what did I miss, y'all? What did I miss? So let's see, what did I miss? I'm trying to think about, did I cover everything? I covered the costs. I covered the transparency if somebody's trying to hide something. And also, just get this, okay? It's very important, because when you guys get married, okay, when you guys get married and you merge and you become as one, his debt, if he owes money to the government, it becomes your debt. If she owed money to the government, it becomes yours. Okay, you need to know about people's records. All right, you need to know about all of these things, because you're going to be merging your name. All right, my father once told me, and I'll never forget this, okay, and I take this with me throughout the years. He says, Dawn, it's best for you to give people money than to give them your name. It's better for you to give people money, cash, than to give them your credit. Okay, your credit, your name is everything. It's worth more than money itself. Okay, so I'm telling y'all, when you guys become as one, whatever the person was hiding, whatever you did not, okay, find out before you say I do, that becomes your problem also. So my beautiful people, okay, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Now that you have the knowledge, now that you know, it's up to you to do whatever you feel like doing. Okay, I've done my part. So as always, y'all, just let me know, share. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your feedback, let me know your experiences. Okay, I love you as always with the love of Jesus Christ. Dance, beautiful people. See you in the next video. Bye.